Hello, I'm going to do a quick preview demo of a Meya and Front integration. So just to orient you with what you got in front of your screen, we've got a Meya powered live chat called the Orb as one channel, and we've got an SMS channel powered by Twilio connected into a inbox over here in Front. And behind the scenes, we have some pretty simple automation wired up to the Meya platform, written in BFML, which is our automation language. Really simple stuff. Meya's platform is really advanced, but to handle more complicated use cases, but for the purpose of this demo, we sort of want to focus on the user-bot agent interactions. And then behind the scenes, this is just a view of what the Meya console looks like to monitor logs and that sort of thing. We're not going to cover that in this demo. All right, so let's get started. First thing you're going to notice is the bot greets the user, and then that message is echoed over here. The user can interact with the bot, and it'll update over on the right. The agent can archive the bot, and then by default, any new interactions will get unarchived. And that's useful for sort of managing sort of pending states. Okay, so let's say the user asks about hours. You'll notice how the name is updated in the front side. You can convert this user to a contact and that sort of thing. But typically, sometimes bots can't handle everything, so you want to escalate to a human agent. You can cover that escalation use case this way. And now an agent, in this case I'm playing the role of a Manny, and she can step in and take over from the bot. So you see over here, Amani has responded. If Amani had a avatar set, you would have seen her avatar here as well. Okay, and you'll note now that the bot is paused, so those same interactions don't trigger the bot. And the agent can respond. And then maybe at this point this is a valid answer, and then the agent can do a few things. They can either assign it to the bot teammate or unassign it. In that case, the bot becomes reactivated, and then they may even want to archive it at this point. So you'll notice the bot has been reactivated. Okay, cool. Let's archive this conversation and move over to over here. We've got messages powered by Google. So this is sort of what you'd see in an SMS app on your phone. It's all powered by Twilio. So now if the user says hi, you'll see that message come through over here in a new conversation. Again, demoing kind of similar flows. This is one bot powering these two different channels. And so all managed centrally from one user interface inside of Front. Okay.